Hi, my name is Martin. I'm a working student at GK Software SE and secondly within the first project of the Horizon 2020 program of the European Union. First stands for Virtual Factories Interoperation Supporting Business Innovation. In this project, an interoperability framework should be created so machines can be coordinated across multiple businesses. This allows various devices to be used in the overall integrated system without run-off integration work. Thereby, changes can be made much easier and faster. To achieve this, it is important to have a language supporting the requirements. Languages currently used by computers to exchange data are either too strict or too open in defining data. For example, if you had JSON or XML, you would describe the structure of the data with this language. This means the description of the semantics would be a natural language, which means it is unclear and sometimes ambiguous. To get rid of this problem, you need a set of rules defining the allowed words and their meaning in this context. For the first project, this leads to the creation of a language which is clear and well-defined on the one hand, and adaptable to the requirements of single companies on the other hand. Thank you for your attention. See you at h2021.eu.